Got this head here and we let it set up. So this side's good. So we're going to glue this other side on. So what I did was I marked it around here and I sanded some of this down so I get a better fit rather than after I glue it and sand it down. So we're going to glue this on. Then we'll let it set up overnight so we get a real good bond on it, and then we can draw it out and start carving on it. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, please put it in my comment section and I'll get back with you. If you have any ideas, you can put those in there too. There's always other ideas, but you learn as you progress. Better shortcuts, better ways of doing things. So like this here, I used to just leave this a square and then I'd have to dig it all out. But if I sand it down first, that kind of saves me a little bit with having to cut it down. But you want to make sure you let it set long enough so it sets up. You don't want to take it apart. That's why I let it, after I get it all together, I let it set overnight. Getting this first piece on is a little more tricky. Just make it snug till you get it a couple of clamps on it. Once you get it set, then you can tighten them down. So now we'll just finish clamping it down, set it aside, let it dry, then we'll be ready to move on. Thanks for watching.